Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the speaker off and removing any external battery or media because live circuits make repairs risky. Once done, lay out a precision driver set, spudger, magnifier, 90% plus isopropyl, and a multimeter. This prevents delays later. Make sure to photograph screw positions and connector orientations as you open the case and pry gently at seams. Force damages plastic clips. You'll reach the PCB and charging port assembly on the first disassembly step. Don't detach ribbon cables yet. Now inspect the charger port up close with your magnifier and light. Look for bent pins, missing solder joints, or green corrosion. If you see dirt or lint, blow compressed air, then clean with a 90% plus isopropyl swab. Let it evaporate fully. For loose or cracked solder joints, reflow with a fine tip iron or replace the micro USB/USB-C port module. Desoldering the old part and aligning the new one is precise work. Make sure traces to the battery are intact before reassembly. Reassemble by reconnecting ribbon cables and securing screws in documented order. Avoid over-tightening plastic clips which can crack. Once closed, test using a known good cable and charger, watching the LED and verifying current draw with the multimeter to confirm charging. If it still won't charge, measure continuity across the port pins and check battery voltage. This pinpoints a faulty port versus a dead battery. If the multimeter shows no continuity or wrong voltage, replace the port or the battery as the next corrective action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.